Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlog. Today guys, I would like to say a belated Merry Christmas, but Happy New Year to all. Okay guys, greetings from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year guys. So guys, I will try on haul, okay, as my outfit for New Year. So I will try on to show you what I have. This guy is, I bought it from Zara. See this? Zara. Only supposed to be 229, but on sale, so 159. Small size guys, small size. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, it's winter crop top. Okay, this one actually is, I bought it last year with Miles Joyce Black. We are seeing all this skirt on sale also as well when we have it, but I not cheap wear. I just make like this because the tie or so long, so I sew it and make it like design from the back like that, and also like that, but I never wear guys. Okay guys, so today only I'm going to try on so with this one. And also this is the present from my boss, also down jacket, extra small guys, extra small, from Zara as well, as you can see, from Zara as well. This is extra small, 359. Okay guys, this is present for my boss guys. So I'm going to try this outfit, I mean, because I'm going to wear New Year guys, so I will wear it. Okay guys, so I will show you guys. Okay, so hold on. So guys, let's remove the tag first. Okay guys, let's remove the tag first. Okay guys, so we can try on. And so let's try on guys, let's try on. Okay, so let's try on. Oh my hair. So let's try on. So wow, so big, right? As you can see. So let's see. See? No wonder why. Okay. So wait, hold on. Let's match with the boots, okay guys? Let's match with the boots. See how. Okay, so let's see. This is it. And the jacket, okay, let's see, try the jacket. So guys.